Welcome back to the channel. I'm Jaden Chase. Now if you're new, remember to like, to share, and also to subscribe. Now, this does not only not look good for BB Cook High School, it not just only not look good for the state, it also not look good for Jamaica as a society. When a grade 11 student can do this to a grade 8 student over shoes, and then the security guards not report it to the school administration, and then him friend them have to carry him over 500 meters to seek assistance. I'm going to say big up to them students there. Real heroes. Big up to them youth there. I'm say carry them friend. Now I'm going to hear from an eyewitness who was there when the whole thing started and who details what exactly took place. I want to look and listen and they will continue the reasoning.
I step on the boy shoot. After that, couple seconds after, I come up and I drop, I grab up on the jacket and the boy turn around and say, I badly see a free, I thump him and he drop off and I go down there. After I thump him in the face, I step in the neck and step in the feet.
So where were you at that time? You were in the line as well for your phone?
I got my classroom, at the same time I run come down there and say everybody have video. And them I said, Jaheim, wake up us, and they not wake up us him. Everybody have video of sitting. I'm have to move everybody that way, I'm taking him. I'm walk off with him. I'm near to reach out across the carry, give me a hand, and the John too.
So you're saying that at first you were the only student who actually responded to him and moved him?
Yes.
Did anybody offer to help to drive you guys there or what?
No, nobody never asked to help us. All of them that walk with him, everybody asks is what happened. I'll carry from my doctor team. Call me mother.
So what was that walk like to have to carry him? Because I saw that somebody was holding him by his arms and the other by his foot. How did you guys, what's going through your mind the entire time?
When we see him on the run with his feet and dead, or he did not put her, because they might try to touch him and he not respond or not.
Okay, they have to transfer him because of the whole system here. The machines are all down, and we have some offer from Christopher Tuxton that he will call the hospital and he will deal with it. He will do take up the medical costs and everything.
Following the incident which took place on Thursday at the BB Cook High School, one student has now been formally charged for assault occasioning grievous bodily harm. He will be taken to the Santa Cruz Parish Court on Monday, where he'll answer to the charges.
Now, truth be told, what the family of Jaheim is saying is that while security guards stepped in to some point, as though could have seen in some part of the video footage, the report was not made to the school administration that had just taken place. But when we hear say a youth was unconscious, how come a report was not made? Why did students have to travel on foot? Many of me did point that out earlier on. Traveled on foot with him for 500 meters. When teacher drive, principal drive. And we already know, this is not hearsay, we already know what going on with teachers and teachers' wages. So we know a large percentage of them don't drive. We know say a large percentage of them also do drive. Should the state also be providing some type of vehicle for the schools? If you can transport students in situations like this. Now it is being exposed that the machines to do certain scans at certain healthcare institutions are not even working. The machines are there, taking up the space, but are not actually working, almost like as a display. This administration have to address the situation. Eh? Because think about it. We already hear about the situation and how severe it was or is. What would have happened if him friend them never take decisive action and say, no, we can't wait, we will carry him or get some help? What would have been the headlines? Now as for the student, the grade 11 student, as I say, it don't look good as a society. Are these the starts and the mindset where the generation we are forward up or grow with? The youth are what they learn. Let's just put that out there. You might not learn it from parents. You learn it from the environment. There's a reason why the saying is, you are a product of your environment. You don't have to be a product of your environment, but most people are, because most people are influenced by the way them grow, where you're raised, the way people them talk to you, the way them treat you, the way the people in your immediate community talk to you and treat you. And over time, people start to develop certain values, certain morals. Confrontations and situations like this that take place at school for years, over the same shoes too. And on the first situations like this that take place over the same type of shoes. But obviously, this was not just an argument. This get physical. One person tried to prove a point. As the eyewitness said, the grade 11 student asked the grade 8 student if a badness is a reputation thing in a school. The place where them youth are supposed to are there. I try to seek a better education. I try to uplift themselves, uplift them community, uplift the nation by getting an education so they can get skilled, so they can enter the workforce, start and take care of our family. And at this point, keep in mind, charges have been brought against the grade 11 student. And to the severity of Jaheim's injuries, it can be all attempted. The charges can be attempted murder. This is a youth in a grade 11, just about to start in life. Young youth. Would they even know if he have a prior criminal history? If he's a person ever get in trouble before. Not on the background. And you know that it's being done for his own safety. In being a youth himself. And to the public outrage what we hear so far. Even from people who are not parents. Even from youth themselves. In the video, you could hear one girl that say, if I did me, you know what should I do, but just the outrage. She can't believe this just take place right as over. Something like that. Which are the same feeling of everybody else when they either hear the story, see the video, read the headlines, read the article, whatever the situation. When they hear say you're a grade 11 youth do this to a grade 8 youth. What? Some shoes. Scuff mark on the shoes. And then when we start to hear say the youth them have to walk on foot 500 meters with him for him get medical assistance. Nobody from the school never help. Even the security them never help. Them probably help, part of the altercation or separate people. I don't know. If I see somebody that was wearing black, looking like maybe the security. But the youth them must say I walk with him. Why is it the machines needed in the healthcare sector are still not there? Why is it the state attack grand plans of creating a new city when the existing cities now have the necessary infrastructure? They now have necessary roadways. Traffic jams are still an issue on the Jamaican island. Roads are not being properly maintained. We are talking about certain sectors. Police force still don't have the necessary tools And when we talk about the healthcare sector, they matter, they say even the basic of basic things are still needed. But the state speaks of a new city. When them can't maintain and operate the cities that are already here, is it that play and constituency? Are they trying to create a new city, create a new constituency for the whole voting process? And it might sound complicated, but sometimes it's a well thought out process. Just not in the best interest of everybody. But talk to me. I'm going to continue to send some strength for Jaheim Coleman and him family. And again, more big up my friend them. Very courageous. True heroes. I'm in a comic book and in the movies, heroes wear capes. But if we look on a situation and take the necessary actions needed to help out somebody else. That's the definition of a hero in this day and age. Talk to me in the comment section. Tell me what you think. If you're new to the channel, just pass through. Well, click the subscribe icon, then the bell icon, and of course, put it on all. And this is how you know will be notified of all fresh content. As soon as fresh content is uploaded and made available for you. And until the reason again, my sentiments for you and yours are for to live, love, and prosper, and for to stay tuned.